You guys are the best friends I ever had.
When I was young.
My name is Christopher. I am 54 years old. I dance with life-size puppets. Looking sharp? Back in the 80s, I wanted to dress up like the Jackson 5 for Halloween, but I couldn't find people to help me out. So I decided to do it all by myself. Currently, I'm single. Awesome. I spend more time with the guys than I do with actual humans. I kind of have a relationship with my puppets. I buy them clothes. I take them places. That could be why I'm single. Okay. People give us funny looks. I guess they've never seen 5 guys hanging out together. If I ever met somebody special and they just said to me, look, Chris, it's me or the puppets, I would say, it's nice knowing you. Are we ready to compete? Hello? Me and the guys have to pull off our best performance tonight.
Funny.
Guy in the middle. Give it to the guy in the middle. All right.
It is very similar to the first time. But you know what? There is still something kind of baffling about your act. You kind of can't stop watching it.
There is an element of pure comedy here.
It's stupid, but I like it. But overall, as an act, it didn't feel that you could compete with some of the acts we had on tonight, if I'm being honest with you.
Out of all your puppets, which one is your favorite, Chris?
The one behind me.
I thought that they were the most in sync dance group we've seen all day. Simon being a puppet in the background, didn't we?
I really liked Simon being a puppet.
Thank you.
See you later. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's so silly.
It is, but you kind of can't stop watching it.
They didn't know what to make of it exactly, but they all enjoyed it.
Well, that's what counts.
Is this everything you thought it would be?
Everything and more.